In the previous video, we have talked about on how we can implement the update to do feature, and now we are going to implement the delete to do feature. So here in our to-dos and views.py, we are going to create a new view which called delete to do, and here we have the request, and we also want to use the primary key which we define also right here. So here we also want to return redirect and home, and inside this logic we want to also get the object by using get object or 404, and we want to get the to do object with the primary key of this primary key right here, and then we want to delete this object by running to do.delete like this, and then we need to redirect it to home again to see the result. So here if we go to our urls.py, and here we want to register our delete to do view by copy and paste pretty much, and here we change delete to do and delete to do, and here delete to do also. And we also need to import our delete to do from the to do's views. So if we go to our home page right here, and we want to link this into URL and delete to do, and we also need to specify our primary key like this. So if we go to our browser with refresh, and if we try to delete this, and we can see the to do is disappeared. So our delete to do function is working. So that's it. See you guys in the next video.